Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up CarPlay in your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and Siri is enabled. Then, connect your iPhone to one of the Jeep's USB ports using a high-quality, Apple-certified cable. Once connected, a prompt will appear on your Uconnect touchscreen. Simply accept this to initiate the CarPlay connection process. It's a straightforward first step to integrate your phone. Many newer Jeep Grand Cherokees also offer wireless CarPlay. To use this, first confirm your vehicle's compatibility, as Uconnect 4 systems typically do not offer wireless CarPlay. Next, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and pair it with your Uconnect system. Once paired, your Jeep screen will guide you through the final steps to establish the wireless connection. This allows for a cable-free experience, making it even more convenient to access your phone's features while driving. If you encounter any issues, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help. Try restarting both your iPhone and the Uconnect system. Also, check your iPhone settings under General then CarPlay to ensure all desired apps are enabled. For wired connections, using an Apple-certified USB cable is crucial for stable performance. These quick fixes often resolve common connectivity problems, getting you back on track quickly. Once CarPlay is set up, you can personalize your experience. You can rearrange the app icons directly from your iPhone settings, making your favorite apps easily accessible. Seamlessly use navigation, stream music, and send messages through the Uconnect screen. Remember to utilize Siri voice commands for hands-free control, enhancing safety and convenience while you focus on the road ahead. Enjoy your integrated driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.